Oh my god, you can instantly just fucking tell the difference. So this is 2025. It already sounds like it's gone. Like, you can't even hear it anymore. What the fuck? Let's compare it to this year. Yeah, you can hear it. Much louder, close up. Yeah, you can still hear it. Thank fuck for that. Look at that. Like, you can hear it. You can still hear it. But it sounds muffled. It sounds muffled until it goes past you. This is the 2025 car. And then, boom, you can't hear it anymore. Much better.